Hello Sharks, my name is Jack Lee and I am the owner and inventor of GlowFlow, the world's revolutionary plunger that is also a light. I am asking for $150,000 for a 15% stake in my company. Sharks, how many times has this happened to you? You're using the restroom and the toilet starts to overflow. You grab the plunger and right before you start to plunge, bam, all the electricity goes out in the house and you're in the dark. Big problem, right? Not anymore. With my revolutionary plunger, it's not only a plunger, but an alternative light source.
Do you have any sales?
That's kind of personal and quite frankly, none of your business.
Whoa! Why do you need the money?
Well, to be perfectly honest with you, I need a car. I was using my cousin's car, but he took it away from me because he has mental issues and he has a drinking problem. His mother, my aunt, has actually had to call the police department on him many times. I mean, he is absolutely crazy as all get out. So when you're in jail, right, you get one phone call. So I call him and he picks up the phone and he hangs up. And I'm like, oh no, you didn't. And I'm like, you are dead to me. So that was the end of that, and that's basically, you know, what I'm gonna be doing with the money.
What's your cost?
That's a good question. Oops, hold on, I can fix that. 1 second. There we go. Good as new.
Well, here's the thing. You've heard me say before, I can tell instantly if it's a hero or a zero. And I think what you've got here is a hero.
You came in ready and willing to negotiate. I want you to come back to me with a percentage that says, you know what, for your 150K, let's just go to work. I don't want you to even talk to these guys anymore.
It's not that funny, Mark.
I'll tell you what I'll do for you. I'll give you $100,000. We'll never agree on what percentage I should get. We're going to change the model completely. You're going to keep the whole company. But I want to be your financier. I want you to give me 50 cents on every unit sold until I get the 100K back. Then it drops to 10 cents in perpetuity.
Hey, slow down, Speedy Gonzalez. I'm not a computer. What does perpetuity mean?
You came in here looking for $150,000 for 15%.
Correct.
I'll give you $150,000 for 15%. You know you're going to need more money down the road, and I'm going to be there. I love this story.
How about this for a counteroffer? You give me $75,000 and I'll give you 50% of my company.
All right, great guys. Wow. Congratulations, guys. Yeah, good job, guys. I loved it. I loved it.
I don't believe it.
All right, thanks, guys.
Congratulations.
I am super excited to be working with, what's his name? We're going car shopping tomorrow.